ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಟೀನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ 2024 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಸಂಚಿಕೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಂಚಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅನೇಕ ರೌಂಡ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ, ಯಾವ ರೌಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜರುಗಿತ್ತು ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸಂಚಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ 3 ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ವಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ತಡ ಯಾಕೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon Vandana Rai madam on the stage. Jorada chappale barbeku. Vandana Rai madam ivrige. Aur jotege I request Ramesh Kanchan sir to kindly come on the stage. Also Sukumar sir, Y Sukumar sir, and Sudhir Kumar sir, Y Sudhir Kumar sir, Naveen Chandra Shetty sir, Tasleen Ara madam, Ramesh Kanchan sir, Riyaz Mudarangadi ಹಾಗೂ ದೀಪಕ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಂಬೈ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಮುಖೇನವಾಗಿ All right. Ready? ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕನಾ? Okay. Fingers crossed. Lovely ladies, beautiful girls, handsome boys. Okay. And to the entire family of the contestants. And now, the most awaited moment has finally come that we all were eagerly waiting for. So first of all, ನಿಕ್ಲೆನ ಮಾತಿರ್ನಲ್ಲ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಜೋರ ನಂಚಿನ ತಾಟಿ ಕೊರಡು ಪಂತ್ ಕೇರೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ. A big round of applause for yourself for being so patient until now. And definitely the judges have given justice, and we are definitely going to announce the deserving candidate as a winner, and that one person will be crowned this evening. Santosh sir from Palve sir, please. Enna pudar the restaurant parde rancha denk bari khushi apuna.
Vishwas Amin anjane bale
Vishwas Amin sir, thank you so much. All right, okay, good to go everyone, good to go, ready a materla. How is the josh? Yaba very low. Indu va josh undu. Once again, how was the josh? ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಲೋ ಆತು. ನಂದು ಜನ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲರಿಂದ ಕುಡೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ವೆ. How was the josh? Very nice. How was the josh? Contestants, how was the josh? ಪಾಪ ರಡ್ ಜಂತ ಹೈ ಉಂಡು, ಬಾಕಿ ದಕ್ಕಲು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಕಾತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲೇರು. ಸೊ ಮೊಕ್ಲಿನ ಜೋಶ್ ನನ್ನಲಾತ ಹೈ ಮಲ್ಪುಗ. And ladies and gentlemen, the first title award, that is a third runner-up of Teen Coastal 2024, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than contestant number 16. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the second runner-up. She has bagged the third prize, and she is now going to be crowned as Teen Coastal 2024. I request contestant number 16 to kindly take the stage, and I request all the dignitaries on the dais to crown and do the needful. I request Sukrita madam to kindly do the needful. Atar on the title winner teru monid telikonnanda clap kenuji. A round of applause. None of them will continue. You all have to do only one thing, that is clap for the contestant. So she has been backed up. The second runner up Miss Teen Coastal 2024, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Yes, so very congratulations to Rakshita. Thank you so much. And up next, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to announce the first runner-up, that is the second prize holder. The first runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than, please put your hands together for contestant number 02. Contestant number 2. A big round of applause to contestant number 2. So, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Teen Coastal 2024, first runner-up, contestant number 2. A big round of applause to contestant number 2. ಎಸ್ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಸದ್ದು ಹಾಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೀಲ್ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಡ್. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. Okay, a very congratulations to the first runner-up of Miss Teen Coastal 2024, Disha. A big round of applause. Thank you so much and congratulations. It's now time to call upon Miss Teen Coastal 2024 winner. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 4. Very congratulations to contestant number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you the winner of Miss Teen Coastal 2024. A round of applause. Yes, I request Nishita Suvarna madam along with the juries to crown the winner of Miss Coastal 2024. Very congratulations. A big round of applause, and I want you to kindly hit the ramp and let us all congratulate the winner of Miss Teen Coastal 2024, Sanvi. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Sanvi. Yes, I now request both of you to kindly join her, one step behind her. I want the winner to take the lead, one step front. I want all three of you to hit the ramp. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to the winners of Miss Teen Coastal 2024, presented by TSR Model Management, Jayalakshmi Silks and Abharan Jewelries. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all congratulate them. Yes, thank you so much. Y'all can be there. Thank you so much. Once again, congratulations to all three of you. Let us now move on to the next category of prize winning. Moving on next, ladies and gentlemen, under Mrs. category, it's now time to call upon the second runner-up. And ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to the second runner-up of Miss Coastal 2024, and it has been backed by contestant number 8. A big round of applause and a very congratulations to contestant number 8. Yes, sir. I request all of y'all to kindly cheer and clap for contestant number 8. Let us all congratulate her as she has backed the second runner-up award under Miss category. A big round of applause to Miss Coastal 2024 second runner-up. The contestants can come from the front as well. A very congratulations to you. Thank you so much, and I request all the dignitaries to kindly do the needful by crowning her. A very congratulations to contestant number 8. So ladies and gentlemen, Linda Lois, who's back the second runner-up of Miss Coastal 2024. A very congratulations to you, Linda. Thank you so much. I request you to kindly hit the ramp and come back. All right. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to call upon the first runner-up of Miss Coastal 2024, and that has been backed by contestant number 05. Contestant number 5. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the first runner-up of Miss Coastal 2024, Sai Shruti. A big round of applause. Let us all congratulate her. So, ladies and gentlemen, Sai Shruti. Miss Coastal 2024, first runner-up, Sai Shruti. A very congratulations to you, Sai Shruti. Thank you so much. I request you to kindly hit the ramp. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you once again. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to call upon the winner of Miss Coastal 2024. And the Miss Coastal 2024 is contestant number 1313. Contestant number 13. And ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of Miss Coastal 2024, Sushmita. A big round of applause to her. Come on. Yes, sir. Let us all applaud for the winner of Miss Coastal 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, a very congratulations to Sushmita, the winner of Miss Coastal 2024. A big round of applause. I request you to kindly hit the ramp. Hitting the ramp. So ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to Miss Coastal 2024. I want both of you to kindly join her first of all. Yes. Yes, I request you to kindly hit the ramp. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the winners. Congratulations to all three gorgeous ladies who's just won the title and the crown. Congratulations to all three of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. So now moving on to the next category, that is Mrs. category. So everyone has given their best, but as they say, the best one always deserves. So maybe today the judges have chosen the right ones to own the crown. And now I would like to announce the results of Mrs. category. So ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to announce the results of Mrs. Coastal 2024. And the second runner-up of Mrs. Coastal 2024 is none other than contestant number... Any guesses? Contestant number 4. A big round of applause to contestant number 4. Under Mrs. category, contestant number 4, I request you to kindly take the stage, and a very congratulations to you, madam. A very congratulations to you. A very congratulations to you, madam. I request you to kindly hit the ramp. Yes, this lady definitely deserves a round of applause. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. A very congratulations. The second runner-up of Mrs. Coastal 2024. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, I would like to call upon the first runner-up of Mrs. Coastal 2024, and it has been backed by, any guesses now? Any numbers there and then? 5. ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ನೋ. Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, it's none other than contestant number 01. A big round of applause to the first runner-up of Mrs. Coastal 2024. I request Deepak Shetty sir also to kindly come and join and give away the prize. I request Sudhir sir also to kindly join. Thank you so much, and once again congratulations to you. Yes ma'am, the ramp is all yours. I would now like to request Ganesh sir and Shweta ma'am to kindly take the stage. Please, a big round of applause to them. And the final crowning will be done by our organizers, Mr. Ramesh Kanchan sir and Tasneem ma'am. I request both of you to kindly come forward to do the needful. And now it's time to announce the winner of Mrs. Coastal 2024, and the title of Mrs. Coastal 2024 is been backed by contestant number 5. A very congratulations to contestant number 5. Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, we have the winner of Mrs. Coastal 2024, Chaitra. A very congratulations to you, ma'am. Very congratulations to all the winners. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you the winner of Mrs. Coastal 2024, Chaitra. A round of applause to her. Come on. I now request both of you to kindly join, and I request all three winners to kindly hit the ramp. Congratulations to all three of you. I would now like to request the winners of all three categories to kindly take the stage. The winners of teen category, the winners of Miss category, I request all of them to kindly come on the stage. Well, thank you so much. And on this occasion, I would like to thank our co-sponsors of this program, Greenwood Resort, Shamili, Nandini, Daiji World 24/7, Kanchana Hyundai, Evolution Fitness, Ayur Spa Manipal, Nishita Suvarna, Jayalila, Mirchi's Restaurant, RK Homestay, Essentia Manipal Inn, PCA Society Limited Paduvidri, Foodcraft, Wiki Mobile, Rainbow Pipes Manipal, Sanchi Sauharda Cooperative Society, Hotel K1 Kapu, and also Priyadarshini Sahakara Sangha. Thank you so much, who were the co-sponsors of this event. I would also like to thank TSR Group of Model Management along with Jayalakshmi Silks and Abharan Jewelry for putting up such a glamorous event. Dr. G. Shankar Family Trust. Thank you so much as well. Once again, let us all join our hands together and congratulate the winners of Teen Miss and Mrs. Coastal 2024. One such grand event. Let us all give 3 cheers, ladies and gentlemen. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I'd also like to thank the media partners, the venue partners. Thank you so much. And by this, we are coming to the end of this evening. I would like to wish all of you a happy evening. And this is your host, Pallavi Devadiga, signing off. Thank you so much.
ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಕರಾವಳಿ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಾನು ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಅನೇಕ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಒದಗಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ನೋಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಜರುಗಿತ್ತು ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ದೈಜ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ 24/7.